If I only got one question to ask a builder, I would ask them, how much is this going to cost me each month to operate? My name's Thomas, and I'm a sales designer here at Shasta Pools. If I were gonna evaluate a builder, I wouldn't even look at the bottom line number on a proposal. I would start with how many years they've been in business. Because we've built pools here in Arizona since 1966, it gives us a couple of key advantages. One, we get to see what that pool does over time. With our remodeling division, we're often called back to do remodels 20, 30, 40, 50 years down the road. And being a 60-year-old company, I'm sure we're still remodeling some of the first pools that we ever built. Choosing a company with 60 years of history really means we've already made all the mistakes. And you get to sit back and relax, and really just let the process happen, and trust is gonna be taken care of. You can expect that we'll be around to service the pool when your kids own it. When customers see differences in prices and proposals, it's really gonna come down to the project scope. Lots of times customers will ask me why the price is different, up or down. And oftentimes it comes down to the scope. And what's being bid just isn't the same. Maybe one company has a premium interior finish, or maybe the decking is different. It can be that one is providing everything you need to meet the city's barrier codes or the demolition work in order to even start the project. If I only got one question to ask a builder, I would ask them, how much is this going to cost me each month to operate? I would look at if the warranty is handled in-house or whether I would be calling equipment manufacturers or subcontractors myself. And it's not wrong, it's just an extra couple of steps. It's a lifetime warranty. Is it my lifetime or is it the company's lifetime? Shasta has an in-house warranty team that is proud of our fast communication. And lastly, I think I would consider whether they subcontract the whole thing out, making them essentially a project manager marking everything up, or if they actually have trained in-house crews for some of the phases of construction. The biggest mistake, and I see it a lot, that a customer can make is choosing a builder based on a picture and a price and just what the sales guy said. By doing it that way, you end up with the same picture, but maybe not the same quality. Meaning, it may cost you more to run it because the plumbing was undersized, corners were cut in other ways, and it becomes more expensive to own than if you had just spent a little more in the first place. How much is this going to cost me each month to operate? Shasta's been in business since 1966, and we can tell you exactly how much it'll cost.